This morning we kind of want to make a quick batch of cookies. Hello, this is Rosina's Italian Kitchen, and this morning we kind of want to make a quick batch of cookies. So I usually don't do, but I bought a mix, a peanut butter cookie mix. It'll make 12 cookies that I want to take someone today. Very easy. So here we go. First I'm going to dump the mix in here, the peanut butter mix, like that. And then, following the directions, it says to, the oven. We better do the oven. Let's get over here to the oven. Turn the oven on, bake, upper oven at 375. Okay, that's going to preheat. Oh man, I got to move this down too. It's got to be just right. Okay, I think that'll be right. Okay, the oven's on, so now we can proceed in making the cookies. The cookie, okay. It says here, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Well, I don't have vegetable oil. All I have is olive oil in my house. So, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's 1. Then this is 2, and that takes care of for the oil. And then 1 tablespoon of water. So we're following the instructions. So we're going to dump that in there. Okay, now we're going to stir this until we make the 12 balls. So we better stir it good, see, until it gets really mixed. I love peanut butter, and I think most everybody does, unless they have allergies. Together, but then we're going to use our hands to roll each cookie in our hands. So we're going to end up with 12 balls. And then we're going to crisscross the balls when we push them down with a fork, just like usually peanut butter cookies are. I decided to roll the dough of the peanut butter cookies, not cut them, after I kind of earmarked what the 1 inch was. So this should be exactly 12. And then I'm going to roll them and then get them ready for baking. Okay, now I'm going to roll each one of them, and then I'll flatten them with the fork. There's 1. So let's count here. I'm all rolled, and they have to be spread at least 2 inches apart because they will really spread otherwise. So let's count to see how we're doing here. 9, 12, and that's what it makes. So let's try the fork method to spread them, and they will spread some more. Aren't these easy to do when you want a quick cookie, a warm cookie? I'm ready to bake. We're waiting for the oven to be ready, and it's, let's see, it's be at 3, I think I'll do it at 350. Doesn't really matter. We're gonna put them in the oven, and it says for, let's see how long it says. 8 to 10 minutes. There. Let's do them for 8 minutes. We'll check it. Start. Now it's signaling that they're ready, I think. Woohoo! I think it might need just a couple more minutes. See, the edges are. We'll leave them in for just a couple more minutes. They're not quite there.
A few moments later.
I think the cookies are ready now. We let them bake just a couple more minutes than I had originally set them for. And here they are. Now we have to let them cool for 2 minutes, And then we'll put them on the cooling rack, and then we're ready to eat them.